Autodesk serves three markets: AEC, manufacturing, and media and entertainment. In each of these areas, we saw a cloud opportunity, an opportunity to bring our customers' data into a cloud environment and build additional technologies on top of them that help them build and complete workflows. We were faced with having to look at many cloud providers, and each development team was looking at what would be the right cloud provider and right tool for them. This created a fragmented space where different teams were writing services that needed to talk oftentimes across providers. It made our surface area for security much broader. It made our ability to optimize our solutions almost impossible. And so we decided that we would go all in on AWS, and it has provided a ton of benefit for the speed in which we can deliver software. AWS provides us the ability to deploy our systems globally. We need to build our models that are based on what our customers are doing. These are complex design models that need to be trained on. And we've been able to use SageMaker to help build our own custom models that has allowed us to accelerate Autodesk AI. Moving to an AWS platform enabled us to focus our energy and make a couple of decisions for our developers. They no longer had to choose which cloud provider they would select. They didn't have to evaluate the security profiles. They didn't have to reevaluate the uptime, just the regions that they're deployed into. Building on AWS allows us to go faster and be more secure and provide more value to our customers.